Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new here, welcome. So on this channel you can expect to see hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, and just about whatever I think I can contribute to you guys. So today I am here to show you guys how I prep my hair for a protective style. Now there are many ways that you can prep your hair for protective styles, and there are many products that you can use in your hair as well. So in today's video I will be using my leave-in conditioning repair cream, and my hair is freshly washed. I washed it overnight and I added some of this repair cream to the hair from last night, but I didn't do anything else. I just wanted to do that so that the hair is not tangled up. So today I'm going to finish off by adding some additional moisturizer, and I'll be using this one. This is the Lusty Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. Like I said, there are many different brands and many different products that you can choose from. You don't have to use these ones. All right, now after I moisturize my hair, I like to seal in the moisture using hair oil. Sometimes I use liquid oil, like this is a coconut oil. I use the coconut oil sometimes on my scalp. Sometimes I use the Jamaican black castor oil, and it has a nice little applicator at the tip, easy to go through the scalp, like really easily. But I'm not sure I'll be using that today on my scalp. I think I'm going to be using this. So this is a sulfur-8 medicated anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner. This really works well when I'm doing like braids, because I'll be wearing the style for maybe a couple weeks, and sometimes I tend to get dry scalp. So I realized that this anti-dandruff hair scalp conditioner really works for me. Also on the hair I might use this. I think I really like this. It's an Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment, and this is from Softy, and this doesn't weigh the hair down. It did say light and natural, and it actually is. So I'll be using these products on my hair, and I'm going to show you guys how to prep my hair, or how to prep your hair rather. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to section my hair, and I'm going to be oiling the scalp. As you can see, this pretty much looks oiled. I did this section and this section, so I'm going to show you guys how I do this section. All right, so I'm all done. This is what the hair looks like, and it feels really soft. So it is important to take care of your hair beneath your natural hairstyle, your protective styles, because at the end of the day, hey, this is your natural crown. So whatever hair you'll be wearing, you still have to ensure that you protect your natural hair beneath. And by prepping the hair like this, your hair is going to stay soft and moisturized throughout your protective styles. And when the style is out and you have removed, your hair is still going to be beautiful behind. Underneath. So like I said, there are various products that you can use. So the hair repair cream is just one. There are various moisturizers. You can also use a hair mask if you wish. This is one that I like. It is really rich and creamy, and it smells awesome, and it leaves the hair feeling really soft and very beautiful. So like I said, there are many products on the market for you to use, but just ensure that you protect your natural hair underneath your styles, honey. Okay? All right, so guys, I need more subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel so you can help me to grow and so I can be able to provide more videos for you guys. So let's grow together. Okay? All right, so this is basically the end of this tutorial. Very short, very simple, keeping it really simple. So now I'm going to move on to the actual style, but I'll be doing that style in another video. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section down below, and also share this video with your friends. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.